Hi everybody and welcome back. I just wanted to do a short video here for a mail call. I got a card in the mail from Munchkin Modeling Man, 72, Dan, for the egg plane group build this year, 2022 egg plane group build. I did the Hasegawa Intruder A6 and he sent me the little token. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate that. And we thank you, Papa Dan, for making up those tokens, and for Charlie Mack and for Dan for putting on the group build this year. They're always a lot of fun doing these little egg planes. And also what I have up next on the bench, I'm going to be building the Monogram Iced Tea kit. This is inspired by Ken at Ken Scale Models. It used to be called Show Rod Garage. And I want to do this, it's inspired, Ken inspired me to do these show rods. This is going to be my first one. I have a few more in the stash. When he was building show rods back in the day, he's more into miniatures now and doing a really good job on those. But I want to just dedicate this build to Ken in appreciation of his encouragement and support of my channel when I was getting started. It's quite a few years ago now, but I really appreciate his friendship and his encouragement. And just doing this as a thank you to you, Ken, at Ken Scale Models. So stay tuned for this build coming up. And if you're not familiar with Ken's work, I'll put a link to his channel in the description below. Go check him out. Thanks for watching.